Hi everyone, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. Today we are going to see another delicious fish recipe, and it's Pabda fish curry cooked in a creamy yogurt based gravy which is best to enjoy with steamed rice or even with zira rice or pulao. So let's get started with this delicious fish curry recipe. So here I've taken 3 Pabda fish and we will season them with some salt and some turmeric or haldi powder. We'll rub the salt and turmeric powder well on both the sides of the fish pieces and we'll let them rest for about 10 minutes. And here in this bowl I have taken 3 tablespoons of thick curd or dahi, and with the help of a spoon we will whisk this well into a smooth consistency. Then this is cashew paste. We'll be adding 4 to 5 teaspoons of it. You can add curd and cashew paste as per the quantity of fish curry you are making. We'll gently mix this once. Into this we'll add now 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar to balance the taste. We'll mix this well and our creamy yogurt base is ready. Next we'll prepare a homemade aromatic spice mix. For that you will need 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard seeds or sarso, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or sauf, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or sabut jeera, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds or dhania, 2 dry red chillies, 2 cinnamon sticks of 2-inch approx, few peppercorns or kali mirch, 4 to 5 long or cloves, and 4 green cardamoms or elaichi. And now we need to dry roast them and then grind them into a coarse powder like this. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that I've already heated some mustard oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough we will add the fish pieces seasoned with salt and turmeric powder, and on medium flame we will fry them until they are fried deep golden brown from both the sides. And by now the fish pieces are well fried from both the sides, so I will take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same pan I will add some whole spices. Here goes 1 bay leaf or tej patta, 2 inch of cinnamon stick or dalchini, 2 green cardamoms or elaichi, 2 to 3 longs or clove, 1 dry red chilli, and few sabut jeera or cumin seeds. We let them crackle for a while. Next into this we will add 4 tablespoons of minced onion, ginger, garlic. You can also add them in paste form. And now on medium flame we will saute them until the raw taste of onion, ginger, garlic goes away and they turn golden brown in color. And once these are fried well, we will season them with some spices. Here goes some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmir red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin or jeera powder, and 2 chillies. You can either add red or green chillies. And now on low to medium flame we will mix and saute the spices for 1 minute. We'll add now a splash of water so that the spices don't get burned, and we'll saute them for another 1 to 2 minutes until they are well cooked and oil starts to separate. And by now the minced onion, ginger, garlic along with the spices has been well sauteed. At this stage we will add the beaten curd and cashew paste. Remember to keep the flame on low while adding the paste. And now very quickly we will mix this well until they are well combined. And after a minute of stirring continuously, you will notice oil separating from the paste. That means they are well sauteed by now. At this stage, I will add some water from the bowl where I had kept the curd and cashew paste. We will mix this well to form a gravy-like consistency. And now we will add a teaspoon of the aromatic masala or spice mix which we had prepared earlier. We'll mix this well. And as the gravy starts to boil, we will add the fried pabda fish pieces. I'll add now some water to adjust the consistency of the gravy, as we need to simmer the fish in the gravy for a while, and in the process the gravy will also thicken. So now we will cover and cook the fish on low to medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's almost 6 minutes. Let's check the fish now. And as you can see, the gravy has also thickened and the fish is well coated with the gravy. So our fish is ready, and just before turning off the flame, we will add some chopped dhania or coriander leaves. That's it. Our pabda fish curry or doi pabda is now ready to be served hot. So friends, do try this delicious pabda fish curry recipe and enjoy it with some hot steamed rice. Also share your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. You can also follow my Facebook and Instagram page. We'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.